Hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine, better. So now we fixing this fabric duct. You know this fabric duct is very expensive. So this we can fix. Someone please. Anybody give requirement of this duct. So after that we will fix this duct. Now you can see this is a fabric duct. This is a not GI and not PI duct. This is a fabric duct. This is a in factory. This is a one cloth company make with the cloth is duct, and you can see installation of this duct. After that I will inform you that how you can fix this duct. So you come with me sometime. After some time I will go up and I will inform you that what you need for fixing this duct. First you need one hot cable. You can fix this cable for the hanging cable. In factory company send this cable for you. You can easily fix this duct, this cable with the pipe. After that you can use one clip with the wire, and after that one channel coming in the clip. This is your method of installation this duct board. After that you hang this fabric duct with the channel. So this is your process. You can complete this duct and easily you can do this work, and you can take this knowledge with this video. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.